In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a problem in Zoom. When something in Zoom isn't working, maybe your audio cuts out, the camera won't start, or a button doesn't respond, the quickest way to get help is to submit a clear problem report from within the app. I'll guide you through the process and share tips that help support, understand, and resolve your issue faster. Open Zoom and make sure you're signed in so your report is tied to your account. Look to the upper right corner of the Zoom window for your profile. You'll see either your photo or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open your account menu. If your window is narrow, you may need to maximize it or look for a small more icon to reveal the profile menu. This menu is the gateway to account options and support tools. From the profile menu, click Help. On some versions, you'll see a help entry with a small question mark icon. Choosing Help takes you to Zoom's built-in support area, where you can access troubleshooting tools and resources. Within Help, click Report a Problem. This opens a dedicated form for sending details directly to Zoom. Depending on your setup, the form might appear in your browser. That's normal. The purpose of this page is to capture enough context so the support team can reproduce what you're seeing. Now make your report. Select the category that best matches what went wrong, then add a short, specific subject line. In the description, explain what you were doing right before the issue, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Include the approximate time and time zone, any error messages you saw word for word, and whether it occurred in a meeting, webinar, or chat. If it happened during a call, add the meeting ID and who started it if you know. Note your device type, operating system, and Zoom app version if they're visible. If the form allows, attach a screenshot or short screen recording that clearly shows the problem. Many versions also offer an option to include diagnostic information. Enabling it can significantly speed up troubleshooting. Keep it factual and concise, and avoid sharing private details like passwords or personal contact information. When everything looks accurate, click Submit. You should see a confirmation that your report was sent. Watch your email for a reply from Zoom support. They may follow up with questions or a suggested fix. Keep your Zoom app installed and, if possible, updated so you can quickly retest if asked. That's the full flow. Open your profile, go to Help, choose Report a Problem, provide a clear description, and submit. The clearer your report, the faster Zoom can help.